can't download on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix cannot download on Telegram issue. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe someone has sent you a specific media on Telegram, but you're not being able to download it. Now this could be happening due to a couple of reasons. The very first thing, of course, that you want to make sure is that you have updated the Telegram app to the latest version. So head over to your respective app store, type in Telegram, check if the app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Now once you've done so, if this doesn't help, then the other reason could be because the amount of storage left on your device is not actually enough to download the specific media that you are trying to download from Telegram. So what you want to do is go ahead and simply launch the settings app on your Android phone or your iOS device. Once you launch settings, you might want to go to the option called storage or whatever else. So once you go to storage, just ensure that you have enough storage left on your device, because sometimes if you don't have enough storage, that could also be causing the issue. Last but not the least, what you're trying to do is simply now go ahead and try to open the Telegram application, try to connect to the specific group or channel, and then try to download the photo or video you were trying to earlier, and this time it should definitely solve the problem. So hope this video helped answer the question. If it did help you solve the problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.